there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start. Scenario 1. Discussing the weather forecast.
Hi, Tom. Did you check the weather forecast for this week?
Hey, Sarah. Not yet, but I heard it's going to be quite unpredictable.
Yeah, I saw that too. They're calling for rain tomorrow, but sunny skies later in the week.
Typical British weather, right? Always keeping us guessing.
Absolutely. I've already prepared my umbrella and raincoat for tomorrow's downpour.
Smart move. I might have to dig out my rain boots as well. It's going to be a wet one.
Let's hope the forecast improves for the weekend. I was planning a picnic with friends.
Fingers crossed. British weather loves surprises, so we'll have to wait and see.
Scenario 2. Making plans around the weather.
Hey, Alex. Do you want to go for a hike this weekend?
Hi, Emma. I'd love to, but have you checked the weather forecast?
Not yet. Why, is it supposed to rain?
Yeah, looks like there's a chance of showers on Saturday. Sunday seems clearer though.
Maybe we should postpone the hike to Sunday then. I don't want to get caught in the rain.
Agreed. We can keep an eye on the forecast and finalize our plans closer to the weekend.
Sounds like a plan. Let's hope for sunny skies on Sunday.
Scenario 3. Reflecting on seasonal weather changes.
Hi, Lisa. Can you believe how quickly the weather has changed recently?
Hey, Jake. I know, right? Just last week, it was warm and sunny, and now it's chilly and overcast.
It's like we skipped straight from summer to autumn. I had to dig out my sweaters and scarves already.
Same here. I was hoping for a longer summer, but I guess that's British weather for you.
Definitely. But I must admit, I love the cozy atmosphere that comes with autumn.
Me too. Nothing beats a hot cup of cocoa on a cold, rainy day.
Agreed. Let's embrace the changing seasons and make the most of it, rain or shine.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.